Hello, today I'm in Maserati Quattroporte and today I'm gonna show you how to pair an iPhone device with this car. So start with entering phone, tap on the multimedia screen, then enter settings. Now tap on add device. And now you have to use your phone, enter Bluetooth settings and turn on Bluetooth connection. Now select MTC device. And enter the pin, by default it's 0000. Then tap on pair. And as you can see, the Bluetooth is now paired. Bluetooth pairing successful. So thank you, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.